Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best swing hardware is probably one of the most important things you'll need when setting up your porch swing. Choosing the right hardware can make the difference between a relaxing afternoon and a potential disaster. In this video, we'll dive into the best options available, considering factors like weight capacity, material durability, and ease of installation, so you can swing with confidence. Number 5. BETOOLL 2,400 pound swing hangers for wooden sets. Introducing the BETOOLL swing hangers, built for durability. These are perfect for your swing sets, indoors or outdoors, and can handle a lot of weight. Made from heavy-duty iron, these hangers are built to last. They're coated to prevent rust, making them ideal for outdoor use, and designed for a smooth and quiet swing. Installation is a breeze with all the included accessories. You can easily attach them to wooden beams, cedar wood, rafters, and even concrete. These swing hangers are incredibly strong, supporting up to 2,400 pounds. You can swing with confidence, knowing they are built to handle it. When drilling, use a 5/16 drill bit for the best fit. If you have any questions about the hardware or how to use it, please reach out to us. What we like. This swing hanger boasts a heavy-duty iron construction, ensuring durability and safety for various uses. Its anti-rust coating makes it perfect for outdoor environments, protecting it from the elements. Easy installation with included accessories means you can quickly set up your swing. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for your porch swing or other hanging items, this is a great choice. What people say. The hardware is heavy-duty and well-made. The springs are strong and the swing is very comfortable. The product is exactly as described and easy to install. Number 4. SELEWARE Swing Mount 2,000 pounds Capacity 2-Pack. Introducing the SELEWARE Swing Mount. This is a heavy-duty solution for your swinging needs. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from SUS 304 stainless steel, it's rust-proof and built to last. This ensures it can withstand heavy use and the elements. Each mount can handle up to 2,000 pounds. This makes it suitable for both children and adults. It provides a safe and secure experience. Use it for various applications, such as hammock chairs, porch swings, and heavy bags. The design allows for a wide range of motion. The innovative design provides a wider range of use. This feature enhances the swinging experience, making it more enjoyable. It comes with a US patent pending and a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, you can return it within 30 days for a refund. They are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. Made entirely of stainless steel, this hanger offers superior rust resistance and can handle up to 2,000 pounds. The innovative 360-degree swivel design provides a wider range of motion, enhancing your swinging experience. If you enjoy a smooth, versatile swing with added durability, this product is ideal for you. What people say. Heavy-duty and well-made. Easy to install. The springs are a great addition. Number 3. BeneLabel 6 PCS Swing Hooks. Installation is simple. You'll need to drill a pilot hole first. When mounting on wood, use 2 nuts and washers. For metal beams, use 1 on each side. The swing ring is detachable for easy connection. This product is versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. It's perfect for wooden and I-beams. It's great for suspension straps, resistance trainers, and various swing setups. The product is made with high-quality 304 stainless steel. It's rust-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and incredibly strong. It's also environmentally friendly and safe. It features a heavy-duty hook that swings 180 degrees. An O-ring made of SUS 304 stainless steel prevents the shaft from sliding out. The hook's buckle is designed for safety. If you have any questions or issues with the product, please contact us. We'll provide a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. We are here to help. What we like. This product features high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring no rust and long-lasting use. The 180-degree swing allows for a greater range of motion, enhancing the swinging experience. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making it incredibly versatile. If you want a durable, versatile, and safe swing hanger, consider this one. What people say. These hangers are very high quality and easy to install. I have no doubt they will hold all the weight they need to hold. Great swing mounts. I purchased these to get away from some rusting ones that we had on our swing set. They were a bit long, but I simply cut them to length. The only thing that I would recommend doing is to use some clear silicone grease on the pivot pins. This smoothens them up and you don't get any noise from them. I love the fact that there is no rust to be seen and I won't ever have to worry about that. I also used 2 of these on a wooden swing set and there was plenty of reach to go through the board and still fasten the nut. Substantial hinge for backyard swing. Much more durable and stronger than the typical hinge hardware that come with the standard sets. Number 2. BeneLabel Heavy Duty Swing Chain Kit. This BeneLabel kit is designed for heavy-duty use, supporting up to 1,000 pounds when installed correctly. It's perfect for hanging various items, from porch swings to punching bags, both indoors and outdoors. Made with SUS 304 stainless steel, this kit offers excellent corrosion resistance and high hardness. It's built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance in any environment. Installation is a breeze with the included screws for wooden beams. You can quickly set up the kit and start enjoying your swing or hanging chair. The pre-drilled holes make the process simple and efficient. The kit includes 2 heavy-duty silent swing hangers, 4 chains, 2 carabiners, and 4 screws. Everything you need is provided for a secure and reliable hanging solution. If you have any questions or issues with the product, please contact us. We are committed to providing a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. We are here to help. What we like. This porch swing chain kit is made with corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring longevity and safety. It's designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly set up your swing. With a 1000 lb capacity, it's suitable for various hanging needs. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and reliable hanging solution, this is a great option. What people say. Very durable and quiet. Was easy to install with the provided lag screws. Has plenty of length, I zip-tied the excess just in case I need to adjust it. Worked really well to hang a custom cedar porch swing. Sturdy and after a year is still rust-free. I'm extremely impressed with the chains. They are of very high quality and hold the weight of my new homemade swing seat. Number 1. Heavy-duty swing set brackets and hangers. These heavy-duty brackets and hangers are made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The one-piece mold technology ensures there are no joints or soldering points. They are painted beautifully and are waterproof and dustproof, ensuring long-lasting use. The design includes extra thickness in key areas and reinforced holes. This makes the structure more sturdy and safe, ensuring a tight fit for the wood. The top beam size is 5.5 times 3.5, and the support legs are 3.5 by 3.5. Assembly is straightforward. It's best to assemble the top beam first. Simply slide the wood through the brackets, drill holes, and use a wrench to tighten the bolts. The whole process takes about 20 minutes for the brackets and 10 minutes for the hangers. You'll receive 2 brackets, 4 hangers, and all necessary accessories. This includes 28 bolts and 28 washers. Plus, you can contact us for spare accessories within a year if you need them. Build your dream swing set in your backyard, garden, or playground. If the brackets are damaged, contact us for free replacements. We've also updated the brackets for even better performance. What we like. These swing set brackets are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and a beautiful finish. The design adds extra thickness for a sturdy and safe structure. Easy installation means you can quickly build your dream swing set. If you're looking to build a complete swing set and prioritize safety and ease of assembly, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The hardware is heavy-duty and well-made. The springs are a nice addition. The product is exactly as described and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.